It's like my grandpa always said, clockwise tidy, and then he died before he could finish it.
What activity was that?
Sex.
Thinking about it now, you know, a lot of rappers say they're gonna fuck till the day they die.
Yeah.
But like, they don't realize that that's just gonna stop prematurely when they're like 70, 80.
Pretty sure they're gonna stop fucking before 70.
Yeah. Especially, well, you figure all the drug and alcohol use takes off like 20, well, it doesn't take off 20 years literally, but when it comes to your bodily functions, it sure does. So.
Permanent whiskey dick.
Permanent whiskey dick. After a while, it just stops going up.
It's like they put Roundup around the base of my shrub.
That's a great way to put it.
Do you still need the 1/4 inch?
What?
The 1/4 inch drive?
3/8, you mean?
3/8 drive?
Yeah.
Whatever one I was using.
Yeah, 3/8. Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, it's in the tool chest thing.
I thought 3/8 was the little one.
3/8
Yeah.
is the medium, 1/4 inch is small, and then
Obviously not.
kind of think of it like
Well, like a 1/4 inch is really small.
And I'm the super
Oh, but
senior
3/8 is smaller than 1/4 inch because... No, wait, 3/8 sounds like bigger.
quarter's smaller, 3/8 is medium, 1/2 inch is large.
You sound like the perfect type to work for a temp agency. But it's
like
bigger than the one.
It's like, I don't want a 1/3 pounder. That's smaller than a 1/4 pounder. It's got a 3 instead of a 4.
You talking about wrenches is like my coworker talking about flat earth. It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't have to make sense. If I have faith, it's true.
I mean, we're standing on an incline right here, and there's a hill right there, so the roof isn't fucking flat.
Oh, shit.
What?
You just cracked the case.
Anyways.
So, do you have the 3/8? Oh. I'm dumb. Okay. So I'm putting these motherfuckers in. It's a pain in the ass, and I don't think I'm doing it right. I think I got one.
You'll know if you something in your leg clunking, you won't stop.
Well, my problem is I hope I'm not cross-threading it.
Oh, that's the reason you don't force it if it's
I'm-
not going in all the way.
I know Forso. It's still going in finger tight,
Forso plays.
but, fucking A. Like, I can't get it to start threading. That's my problem. Like, I align the crap out of it, and I'm trying to get it in with my fingers, and I just can't get it to start. And I've been going at it for like
Where's
10
Corey?
or so minutes.
Where's Suzuki Rider?
Is he
when we
good
need
at
him?
fingering nuts?
I'm sure he is by now. Oh, just joking.
I mean, the more the merrier. And if he wants to finger my nuts, I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
Wait, these aren't even nuts, they're studs. If he wants to finger my stud, I mean, call it a
No,
better.
it's more of a grasping type motion. I
Oh,
guess.
yes, if you want to...
Terrifying.
Like this.
Oh, dude, oh, wait, we can't show that on YouTube. I'm going to get demonetized. From the Will Smith show.
Will Smith show. What Will Smith?
The only Will Smith show?
What? Wasn't he in a bunch of... Fresh Prince of Bel-Air?
Yeah, Hillary was his sister, I thought.
Or his cousin or something, right?
Oh, yeah, not his sister. His
cousin. I think that was his aunt's name. Maybe.
No, that was Vivian.
Well, you know better than I do. How do you not know? Like right off the bat?
I know. I was telling you,
I
not
don't watch
asking you.
French Prince of Bel-Air.
The French Prince of Notre Dame. Notre Dame.
With the Goosebumps theme song.
The dog was joining in. The closest thing I do to working out is waking up in the morning, and I don't even want to do that. It's like doing a sit-up. Ugh.
Well, this bolt's gonna be shorter.
Do we need to get a longer one? Do you need a longer one?
Shorter.
Oh, you need a shorter one? I have a shorter one. I don't know what it goes to necessarily, but it's very shorter.
Wait, what?
Could you hand me that 13 rat or what?
Yeah, let me grab that moth for you. I accidentally stopped recording because I'm an idiot. Yeah, what's wrong? Wait. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a good view of this.
Huh?
I said I'm not gonna get a good view of this. What are you putting in right now?
About.
Ow! Well, damn.
Big money. What?
Yeah.
I can tighten this, and then when it gets to a point, I'll start tightening it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should bottom out, and then the
Yeah.
nut should go.
Alright, that's the only thing I'm gonna have like in a fucking situation like we did last week.
Man, I hate when like, you think you're having a good time, and then the shaft bottoms out, and then your nut starts tightening.
It's a damn shame.
Mm-mm. There was just not enough shaft. Deeper. Oh, I got a reply.
Don't need a rebuild.
I hate multi-part motor mounts like this.
Yeah.
Especially when they hang off of something that just has that.
Yeah.
I'm just complaining to complain.
That sounds like me. What I do. I complain, and then somebody gives me advice, and then I tell them to shut the fuck up because I didn't want advice. I just wanted pity. I think that explains a lot about my life.
Sorry.
I mean, this thing's been through a lot worse than a milk crate.
Dude, what if one day you run over a milk crate?
If run over?
Yeah.
I would take it home if it was in any good condition.
Race it back to normal.
Yeah, duct tape it.
Okie dokie.
I mean, I liked having that one watch, that digital watch, but it always got in the way.
It always what?
Got in the way. Like that little smartwatch.
Uh-huh. I like my watch.
If you use something like this, and you'd be bashing up and getting caught up and shit.
Well, you're not supposed to wear it when you work on cars. It's not that kind of watch. It's more like you wear it when you go for a run kind of thing. Or work at your office job, or
What's the fun of
furiously masturbate.
it? You get your step count up.
Yeah. So you can run for miles and miles and never get out of bed.
Yeah.
I call it
Nice
sexercise. Everyone else I've told about it just calls it lazy.
What, masturbating?
Being a Duncan.
Using it as exercise. I mean, you work out one part of your body a whole lot, and that's your prostate.
The more you know with Duncan.
Edging to Success by Duncan.
That's pretty good, man.
That's what I like to hear.
I'm gonna put the rest of that mount on, but I'm not gonna put the airbox or anything on, so I'm gonna put the starter on.
Good idea. Okay.
For the fuck of it, they did it like that. Actually, I don't even know if that goes there.
I think it does.
Oh, axle nut.
So. Oh,
It's right there.
And could somebody hang on me?
you have a socket pipe?
I'll go get it.
Yeah.
Oh, you already have it? Right on. Right on. Apply directly to the right head. That was a bad joke. I'm sorry. That was like not even funny.
But we can add like laughing and clapping sounds.
You know, can you pull the motor back?
Yeah. Like from here? Like
There you go. Hang on,
yeah, little.
Oh, I think that's that Lexus or
Luxus. Easy Luxus. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm losing all control, and I think I like it. Just can't wait to drive this thing again.
I'm so excited. Yeah, you'll be mobile for another, what, 4 months or so?
Right until I burn out the clutch again.
Maybe a week.
Is that how you do that?
Well, it started looking like a car again.
You gotta put a fucker in it.
Oh, I didn't
to
know that.
hold her.
I just like hella wrenched on it, and it worked.
I mean, that works.
Like you put like a pickle fork or like pry bar in between it, and just put a whole lot of pressure on it. Is what I did.
Yeah, that works too.
Your way's probably like way more legit though. So yeah, this is what we broke by putting the transmission in and by bringing it too high. Look at the green. That's so cool looking. Oh, it's like a little gemstone. And when I look at cars, I'm usually, everybody's like, oh man, but the speed, the power, and I'm like, but practicability though.
Practicality.
Blow me.
Blow me, mate. IRL.
I can be right naughty.
Right naughty. Can I have a chuckish?
You're having a chuckish.
Fucking mug. Fucking hell.
You fucking milk.
Fucking milk. Aye, Poppy. Wrong hole.
And you hear your neighbor go, cocaine? They're like, no, snow-a-cane. They go, ah, fuck you.
Dude, we're getting so close.
So close! What are those? What are those? What are those?
Jeez.
Oh.
What are those?
Oh, they're fucking whatever etnies there were in the store.
What are those? Oh, you're wearing Reeboks too. Nobody's got blanks up.
Damn it.
Well, too.
I just put these on because they were comfortable, man.
That's why I'm wearing these. These are my winter beaters.
Be a beater Jordans?
Yeah.
Well, la-di-da.
Although they did start off almost new when I started wearing them a month ago.
Oh, shit.
I think I'd worn them a few times and Adam did too.
Uh-oh.
Did you put that other
No.
motor mount bolt in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck. Phone is soon to die because I'm at 9%. I've been filming all day. But Cracky's down the street being cracky. Smoking cigarettes. All we have to do now is Adam's putting in the speed sensor. We just got the starter in. That was a pain in the ass. So all we're going to need to do now is fluids. Fluids for the transmission. Fluids for the coolant. Put the battery in. Put the air box in. I did those backwards. Hook those things up. And then we should be done. Oh, I'll also put the wheels on, but I mean, first things first. I'm the realist. So yeah, that's the update. I'll be back when it's done. We've done it. Victory is at hand. The wheels are going on. We've tried it. It works when I don't have my foot on the brake like a fucking idiot. Because we had it up in the air. And we were like, why isn't it moving? Why is it bogging down? It's because my fucking foot was on the brake, so I'm stupid. But it works. It works. Clutch works. All the fluids are in and working. Everything's good and happy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yes! I can't wait to drive it again. Do you have any words to say about your victory?
Fuck Ford.
do you have any words to say about your victory?
You have a 100-foot, 100 revolutions per minute warranty. After that,
So like I go down the block, not even like I go like a house
Like
down.
the initial start of your takeoff. It's like, after that, you avoid the warning.
I'm okay with this.
So basically, you just don't move the
Well,
car.
I mean,
Just
I got
don't-
what I paid for.
just don't
so.
spank this clutch in like 200 miles.
I'll try not to.
I don't think you will.
I mean, I've done that to 2 other cars, but I've learned my lesson. Hopefully.
No, the clutches were replaced and then the engine got spanked.
True. Okay. You have to worry about me spanking the engines. The clutches will be fine. Ooh. Oh, she is on all fours for the first time in a week. Because this is the second weekend we've been working on this. Although this is the warmer of the 2
Dude,
weekends.
this is so much better. Like, I'd rather it be rainy and cloudy than like open skies.
I'll
and,
do-
like, winter hell.
I'll do another update when my phone is charged and it's daytime and we can look at all of its pretty glory. But for now, fuck yeah. Also, thank you, Eric and Adam, for doing all of the very hard work.
Hey, no problem.
And for free. And for buying me parts that broke.
And food.
And food.
And food for the times where we were just like, let's go on a parts run and forget about this.
Oh, you hear I was saying thanks and now you're just piling it on. Thank me for that. Oh yeah, don't forget that. Anyways, thank you. You guys rock.
Rock!